everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I have for you this very dramatic green and gold makeup look. This makeup look is very glamorous and so dramatic, but I really like it, and especially for pictures it looks so good. So that's it for this look. In this makeup look today, I'm gonna use the Dream palette. This is truly a dream. I really love the new launch by Sigma Beauty with Beauty Bird. Look these colors. Oh my god, I am in love with all the colors. I really recommend for you to try this out. The quality is amazing. So let's get started this makeup tutorial, but first don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and like this video if you did. Now let's get started. So that's it, my lovies. I really hope that you like this makeup tutorial much as I did. I love all the colors. The pigmentation is amazing. The quality of all the eyeshadows are stunning and the colors so beautiful, just like a dream. I really love it and I hope that you like it as well. So thank you so much for watching and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!